understand how we can do better literature research. Okay, so I gave you one method. Instead of reading everything, read only the abstract. The abstract will give you most information what you're going to read. Okay, so starting with literature review. Now, what is the importance of literature review? The things you said, that you are using the exact methodology, that what people have already done, what loopholes are still there that you can look after, or you can write about. So it is a systematic and well organized search from the already published data to identify a breadth of good quality reference on a specific topic. Literature search is done to identify appropriate methodology, design of the study, population sampled and sampling methods of measuring concepts and techniques of analysis, like what people have done already. Okay, it also helps in determining extraneous variables affecting the outcome and identifying faults or lacunae that could be avoided. So, what people had the loopholes and what you can make sure that you do not have. That's lacunae that could be avoided. Okay, main source of information. Books and journals are the main source of information. And in-depth literature search is related to extended essay, dissertation, and research projects. However, depending on your topic, many other sources will prove equally valuable, such as newspaper archives, important sections of the newspapers, images, primary data, or conference proceedings. Like somebody observed it late, like before some time, and maybe there was a little bit tiny question about your research also, and then you can see what were the answering. So these are the main sources. Now this can be digital sources or non-digital sources. That's up to you. Goals of literature research: to review existing critical opinions or theories, to identify current research findings, to identify potential research methods and models. What can be done? To enable comparison with your own research finding. What people found, what is the loophole, what I can do. And this happens like in this framework. So provides the interpretation of existing literature, helps in calculating the impact of the latest information. You already have a literature that's talking about something, and that will help you that, okay, is it really impacting? Can I do something better? Brings out the dialects of contradictions between various thoughts. So what communication happened on the previous time when the topic was uh, written? So you can compare what happened that time. How can I make sure that this time the debate comes with a new thing? Okay. Research gaps scrutinized initially are further explored. So the gaps which were there earlier, now you are exploring them more and you are writing better. Indicates the current research plane in the schema of a particular field. Again, you are making sure that how can your position in this work, and you have to create a scheme for that, a plan for that particular field, for the particular question. Provides information for relevancy and coherence. Whatever you're writing, is it relevant to your field of study? Is it connecting? So connection means coherence, relativity, and relevance. Again, both are the same words almost. Is it connecting? Is it relevant? How can you make sure by the conclusion that whatever I have given, it is important? People should know about it.